We are Proram, Constructive Mentality, shaping the industrial future. Visit our website for further information and request quotation. Hello. Thank you for being with us and watching this video. It is part of our series about PolyWorks software. You will learn many practical tips on how to use the software to achieve your goals or simply improve your work. We encourage you to like the video and subscribe to our channel to do not miss further useful information. We also invite you to leave your comment about this material. We are open to any suggestions. The content and services we create for you. In this short video, we'll walk you through the process of creating linear distance dimensions between features using PolyWorks, one of the most intuitive tools in industrial metrology. Whether you're inspecting a machined part or analyzing complex assemblies, adding distance dimensions in PolyWorks is not only quick, but also remarkably user-friendly. To begin, you can simply use the feature tree and select any two features of interest. These might be points, lines, circles, cylinders, planes. Choose these two that the distance between you need to verify. With both features selected, just click the Feature Distance button. PolyWorks will automatically fill the appropriate fields. Click Create and instantly generate the linear distance measurement between the selected entities. But what if you prefer a different workflow? No problem. You can also start by clicking the Feature Distance icon first, and then select the features from the drop-down menus that appear. This flexibility allows you to work in the way that best suits your habits and inspection strategies. Want even more interactivity? PolyWorks gives you that too. After choosing Distance button, instead of choosing features from a list, you can click the hand icon and pick the features directly within the 3D scene. This is ideal when working with visually complex models or when spatial awareness is the key. PolyWorks has been designed with a strong emphasis on intuitive operation, giving metrologists and quality engineers the tools they need to work faster and smarter. From CAD-based inspection to real-time feedback after part alignment, creating distance dimensions is just one of the many streamlined features that make PolyWorks a powerful asset on the shop floor or in the lab. Dimensioning distances in metrology software has never been this easy, this fast, and this versatile. Thank you for watching. We encourage you to visit our website and read more about us.